The Toyota CHR is a subcompact crossover (CUV) manufactured by Toyota. The name CHR stands for Coupe High Rider, which reflects the vehicle's coupe-like styling and high driving position. The Toyota CHR was first introduced as a concept car at the 2014 Paris Motor Show, and later made its debut as a production model at the Geneva Motor Show in 2016. It was designed to appeal to a younger and more urban-oriented audience, with its sharp lines distinctive from fascia and sporty look. Under the hood, the Toyota CHR is powered by 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that delivers 144 horsepower and 139 lb-ft of torque. The engine is paired with a continuously variable transmission (CVT) that provides smooth and efficient power delivery. One of the standout features of the Toyota CHR is its safety technology. All models come standard with Toyota Safety Sense, which includes a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection.